This diesel-powered model is sized for high production applications and can operate up to 2 tools independently. Designed for solar applications or any environment where an electric power source is not available. The first step is to fill the 7-gallon reservoir tank. Remove the filler cap. Fill with oil. Before turning the engine on, you need to put the compression relief valve to the open position. Open the cover. Flip it to the open position. When you first start up, you should hook up a T124833CE pressure gauge. Leave it in the open position. Use an auxiliary trigger. Activate the rig. At this point, we're just allowing fluid to flow through the rig and to bleed the unit. To check the pole pressure, close the valve all the way to the right. Hold the trigger and you will get a readout on pole pressure. To check the return pressure, put the gauge in the open position. Press and release the trigger. Slowly close the valve and get the return pressure. As an example, we will set the rig for class 10.9 16mm bobtail fastener and adjust the pressure to 6,700 psi on pole pressure and 3,400 psi on return. Close the valve all the way to the right. Press and hold the trigger. We're at 6,400. To increase the pole pressure, to adjust the pressure, locate the pole pressure adjustment screw using a 1/4-inch Allen wrench. Turn clockwise to increase the pressure, counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. To adjust the return pressure, locate the return pressure adjustment screw. To increase the pressure, turn clockwise. To decrease the pressure, turn counterclockwise. Check pressures one more time to be sure they are correct. Depending on the temperature, you would put it to the low position for 5 seconds and then initiate the rig. Refer to the manual for proper startup.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.